Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an Audi R8. First, establish a clear budget, considering not just the purchase price, but also insurance, which can be several $1,000s annually, and maintenance. An oil change alone might cost around $300. Next, research the various R8 models, like the V8 or V10, and their unique features. Finally, decide if a new or pre-owned vehicle best suits your financial goals and desired specifications. Once your research is complete, begin searching for your Audi R8. Explore authorized Audi dealerships and specialized luxury car websites. Always obtain a comprehensive vehicle history report to check for any past accidents or significant repairs. This report provides crucial insights into the car's life. Most importantly, schedule a pre-purchase inspection with an independent, certified mechanic. This step can uncover hidden issues, potentially saving you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now for the exciting part, the test drive. Drive the R8 on different road types, including highways and city streets, to assess its performance and handling. Pay close attention to the engine's sound, braking, and overall comfort. After a satisfactory test drive, it's time to negotiate. Be prepared with your research on fair market value. Discuss the final purchase price, any additional fees, and available warranty packages, which can offer peace of mind for several years. The final step is to complete the purchase. Carefully review all sales contracts and financing documents. Ensure every detail, from the vehicle identification number to the agreed-upon price, is accurate. Confirm that all necessary paperwork, such as the title transfer and registration, is properly handled. Before driving away, make sure you have adequate insurance coverage. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of an incredible Audi R8, a true marvel of engineering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.